The Vivi Whiteboard is an app feature used by teachers and students alike. The whiteboard has been enhanced to allow for more practical use cases in the classroom for a variety of activities. To launch the whiteboard, select the whiteboard icon from the home page of the app. The whiteboard opens in an edge-to-edge format for a full screen effect. At the top are various navigational tools. You can click back to go back to the home screen of the Vivi app. The arrows allow you to exit full screen mode, and the button in the top far right corner allows you to wirelessly screen share within this tool. When actively sharing, the buttons in the far upper right corner will change to a stop share and a pause share button. The toolbar, located in the bottom left corner, includes many different tools. Clicking on each tool opens additional options. From left to right. Selector allows you to select items already inserted and move or resize them. Pen tool has 3 different width options and the ability to select different colors. You can add additional color options by selecting the plus sign and choosing your color of choice. Highlighter has 3 different width options and its own highlighter color palette. You can add additional color options by selecting the plus sign and choosing your color of choice. Shapes. Not only can you draw a variety of shapes, such as circles, squares, arrows, triangles, lines, and stars, but you have options for formatting, such as adding borders, different colors, and width of the shape. Text. The text tool allows you to add text to the whiteboard with 3 size options and a color palette. Eraser allows you to click an item added to the whiteboard to remove it. Select Background allows you to customize your whiteboard experience with a variety of preloaded templates and the ability to add your own background image saved on your device. You also have the ability to choose a different background for one board or for all boards. Undo allows you to undo the last item or change made to the whiteboard. Redo allows you to add back the last item removed from the whiteboard. Trash can allows you to clear the whiteboard aside from any background selected. Show all boards. Selecting this icon allows you to add different boards and the ability to move between them using the gray arrow. More options allows you to save any whiteboard activity to your device or cloud storage option, to copy, or to clear all boards. Additionally, while actively screen sharing, options to launch polls and assessments directly from the whiteboard feature are available. The arrow on the far right of the toolbar will allow you to minimize the appearance of the toolbar on the whiteboard. It's important to note that both teachers and students have access to the same tools in the whiteboard to work independently on their own devices.